Hi squad, thrilled to have you watching today. In this replay clip, let's solve this addition problem. 36 plus 18. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 8 equals 14. In the number 14, there are 4 ones, right? 4 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 3 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We need to add 1 more, which gives us 5, right? 5 in the tens place. So 36 plus 18 equals 54. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about this video.